Yeah, canal condition. Yeah.
That's crazy. Say we would have found one place, we found something else instead.
Yeah.
We can still do the other place too.
Yeah, because it's just right down the road.
Where's your camera, man?
Go to the I don't know, push a bunch of buttons.
Well, we were looking for one place. It looks like we found another place.
Yeah.
And you're collaborating with Anthony Haynes, eh?
Yeah.
And his girlfriend.
Teresa.
What's her name?
Teresa.
Teresa, sorry. We just met. That we've been talking online.
Oh.
And we're from the same area. What?
This is an old one. Yeah. It's like you have to push the button.
Oh, wow. It's pink drawer. It has a pink drawer. Pink volume. I mean, a volume. Pink temperature gauge. Anyway, we figured like maybe it was a hotel, but we think this is where the workers that worked on this farm live. So we're going to keep exploring. We're supposed to try to find that orphanage. If it's an orphanage.
There's some bird nests. There's a hole in the mattress.
Nice.
Oh.
Please don't cut yourself.
I didn't. I was ripped my crotch pants.
Okay?
I ripped my pants in the crotch.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Nice.
No, it's okay. Didn't rip it that bad. I know.
Oh, there's something going on in here. There's something that sounded like wings.
Just what?
Sounded like wings. Oh, wow. It's coming upstairs. Got a fucking upstairs. Oh, she's behind me. It's coming upstairs.
Hey, be careful when you step on that. That's plastic. What? I know.
That's creepy.
Yeah, showers are.
That is freaking creepy. That is creepy.
That's legit crazy. Look, there's.
See, there's something up there. It's got to be a bird or something.
Oh, there's lots of beds in here.
This is the one then. This is the one. I betcha.
I will so jump in there.
I think
There's a
gotta be
chair.
door.
Right?
There's got to be a door.
Just be careful.
Oh, look at the light's not even broken.
That's what's crazy though. Like
that
it's
crazy?
old, yeah.
And how is there an upstairs? It doesn't even look like there's room for an upstairs.
That's
Let's
crazy.
find out what's going on. Where do you think we can get in here?
I mean, there was a reason why your light was flickering, right?
Yeah. There's something creepy.
Whoa, be careful, it's tilted.
Shower stall.
Be careful, it's tilted down.
Okay.
It's not flat right there.
Okay. Oh, that sounds like more than just a bird, didn't it? I mean, that sounds like a bird, but I heard something like a...
There was something, we just moved some tape up there. Oh, my camera just went in and out too.
Did it?
Yeah, legit, right up the stairs.
Did you hear the bang?
Yeah, that's why my camera went in and out. I found a door.
Down the door?
And it's open.
It's open? Cool. Yeah.
My camera's like tripping.
Oh, look. I see a box or something up there. No, is that a drawer? What is that?
I could be the daredevil and see how it goes up there. Ew,
None of those lights are broken. None of them. How the heck is that?
Whoa. Like
Look at
legit.
this.
None of them are broken.
None of them are broken. How can that be?
It's a lot.
Wow. Cement floor.
Something
Oh, it just blurred on me big time.
just hit the board.
Probably a bird.
I hope so.
There's wire right here.
Feathers in here. Oh, what's in here?
I'll let
This is
you.
creepy.
Oh,
Oh, wow, and there's another doorway that goes in there further. Oh, there's a bunch of beds in here.
so you guys, if we each pick a bed, maybe we each get sleep comfortably. I don't know.
Oh, my
No.
God.
I'm just kidding.
Look at it. It was where they put their stuff. Looks like it's where they put their stuff in these cupboards. Oh, look at all the dead birds. Those are all dead birds. That's a dead bird right there. Aren't those all dead birds?
Oh, that is. Look how flat that is, though. That's weird.
I think it's been decaying, but somebody's moved it.
Ooh.
Somebody's moved it.
I think these are all decaying dead birds. That is a really creepy sign.
Yeah, that's not good.
These are all. Yeah, that wasn't a bird.
Anybody up there?
Hello?
Hello, we're just here exploring. Making a video. Is anyone here?
There's a pigeon.
We're not here to bother anybody. If you're here, please holler out so we know. We won't go upstairs.
I don't know about you, but usually if there's somebody, they holler.
I just got really blurry over this way.
I just got a cold chill. I got goosebumps. Shh, shh, shh.
There's something up there. It's a big coyote. That's a dog.
Gosh. I hope not.
That was a dog.
Hello?
I had dirt spray in the car.
Hey, there's a bird.
Not what was walking on the ground wasn't no bird.
No, that would explain all the dead birds though. There's coyotes.
Oh, that's heavy footsteps up there. There's another
You
bird.
hear it?
Stay here.
Here, you want to take this so you can just put it up and see what's there?
Okay, grab that.
You can stick that up there and just like, you can turn that down closer to you so you can see better. See where you get your head all the way up there.
Get bit off.
Watch out for
Oh,
that.
please be careful with those stairs.
Yeah, that sounded kind of creaky, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Is there?
How did you guys feel if I told you?
Do you see anything?
There's nothing up
I hear it running right now, didn't you?
Yeah.
There's nothing up here.
Right here where we're
Are you
standing.
freaking
Right here.
kidding
There's
me?
nothing up there.
It's fucking running. Excuse my language. It's running.
It's not up here. I got a cold chill though.
Legit.
What's this? Is this a subfloor?
No, that's
It's
more
like
of the
another- like a
attic.
plankway.
Can you
Like a
see that?
walkway?
Can
Yeah.
you see that?
It's like another
Do you want
attic.
me to take your camera up here? And
Yeah, go ahead.
Or I'll switch you. These stairs are okay.
There's a lot of dead birds in here.
Yeah, that's not good. Careful. What is that noise?
Like they're watching the days.
Oh, there's hella birds up here. But there's... Yeah. Ah! Yeah.
Oh, that doesn't explain the running on the floor.
There's nothing up here running. I see all the way across.
They've been living in here a long time. And that's why there's so many. That's look at, there's a bunch of marks here too.
Any bird? Anything up here? Hello?
Have to be careful up there.
I know.
How long they were staying.
I know, that's what I'm wondering.
Whoa.
I don't know, they should have been workers or they could have been.
There's the word FU2.
Like, I can promise you right now, you guys, there's nothing up there. Like, I felt the floor. Yeah, I felt the floor vibrating.
Oh my gosh. Look at this, like they were marking, either they were playing a game or marking how many days they've been here. Look at that.
Oh, it's so blurry.
You get really blurry.
FUC.
Oh yeah, we will.
Oh, there's
I know I've said it a couple times, but that's because I'm freaking scared.
Roman numerals right here.
Oh, wow.
BI. So 5, 6. That's 666.
Oh, that's creepy. I don't like that. Trying to see, I got my, there they are.
It's legit blurry, like in and out, crazy.
Yeah, mine was doing that too.
And I got cold. Like right now, I'm sweating, and I was legit freezing upstairs.
Really? I'm gonna walk up there maybe.
And the stairs are actually really safe. Like the whole floor up there is safe.
What are those marks for? Is that a game or someone marking their time?
And
then there's
Look at
JBM.
how it's going down. That's kind of creepy.
Yeah.
Let us
It
know in
must
the
say
comments
two-
down below.
2R. What's that? I wonder.
Kosher.
Initials, maybe.
Kosher.
I mean, I know people want to go to jail, prison mark stuff, but
Yeah, I know, but look at how that just slides out.
that's like straight up blurriness right
It's
there.
eyeliner.
It totally blurred on me over there too.
Yeah.
It's eyeliner. Right here. This is eyeliner.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Crown or eyeliner. It's eyeliner. It smudges.
Oh wow.
That floor up there is like not soft. It's
I wonder
sturdy.
if in this other room.
Please.
Back here, there's like shower stalls or
Let
something.
me see my flashlight.
That is-
Back here. It's hella creepy back here. I can peek through the window.
Did you find? Hey, talk about sharing the bathroom.
Ah, it's a mouse. There's a lot of death in here.
There it is. When I felt that floor move, it's like something's running. There was nothing.
Now we haven't heard anything running either anymore. Whoops, I just turned it off. Okay, got that on. I didn't do that. It was an accident.
The men's bathroom.
Let me see.
I see a urinal.
I want to get. Where did that mouse go?
It's right here.
Um,
Oh, I was being a smarty, I know. So, anybody I need to go number 2 yet? I'm just saying, because after this,
No, it's really, really blurry.
yeah, I got
That
that too.
toilet thing's off of this one.
I can't even get. It's not even getting that blurry.
Take a picture of that mouse area.
I don't even see it. Okay, where can I? Oh, there it is. That's like it's right there. Oh, that's not very live. It's not been dead for super long, but long enough to puff up like that.
There, a cat.
Whew. Let me see.
It's got super glue.
Did you? Every window's broken.
Man, this makes me wonder if we can
It's
do
so
it.
hot.
a
so
3
hot
a.m.
now.
thing here. I know I'm like sweating.
What's in here? Oh, look, there's one mattress in here and someone's shoe. Someone's shoes. What the heck?
Somebody living in here?
There's a toy over there. Okay, I cannot grab any more toys. I already have
No,
a haunted
we
toy.
already have a doll.
Or we have a haunted doll in the car.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Look at the screen door. Has a screen door.
That's no wonder somebody lived in here.
Looks like it, and it looks like it was a laundry room or something. See, like over there, it looks like where they had the thing went out for the dryer, and look at the plugins.
Yeah, the mat and stuff.
That toy keeps going blurry on me.
I'm just learning how to use this camera. Oh, it got real blurry on me. Whoops, what did I do? I don't know what I did. Oh, hey.
It's shaking your camera again. I'm not moving it, it's shaking.
Picture.
Where did that go? Oh, there it is. It's a whale or a dolphin. What is that?
Yes.
Still has a tag on it, doesn't it? It's blurry, totally blurry. Now I just got unblurry.
I don't know, like I'm facing this way and it's blurry too.
It's a fairly new, like newer mattress than the other ones.
Yeah.
Style mattress.
And it looks like a freaking jail mattress.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of the nursing home mattresses.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just so you guys know, nursing home mattresses look just like jailhouse mattresses.
Look, none of these are broken either. Oh, it just blurred up on me totally.
Yeah.
Totally blurry.
That's crazy how they're not broken though.
I know. Look at it. As bad as this place is, all the glass is broken in the windows, but not one light bulb has been broken in any of the outlets. And there's
lights
no,
still work?
I don't see anything. Oh, there's light. It's on, but nothing's happening. So must not be.
This isn't. I was like, this isn't the door we entered in. I'm like, seriously, like I thought I was backwards.
Is it the one we came in?
Yeah.
See, look
I
right
don't
here.
I don't remember seeing this room.
Look it right there is legit where I heard the run, like her running and the floor shaking all the way around. Like it's pretty tight upstairs. Like
No, we didn't come in this one.
no, because this is a pathway.
Yeah. This has got a. Oh, there's a door right here too. There's another door right here.
Oh.
Ooh.
What the hell?
That's that kitchen thing, huh?
Is that
We
pumpkin?
were on the other side. We were on the other side.
Mm-hmm.
So we can walk
at
back
that.
through. I don't want to walk around in this grass stuff. Oh, look at that. That's all bird stuff. That's all bird stuff.
Let's see.
Isn't that all bird stuff?
Hey, there's these like these plywoods right here. I could throw down right here if you really want.
Ah, I don't even know.
See, look, that's all the way upstairs. I'm telling you, there was nothing upstairs.
I don't know if I want to go in there. I'm getting a creep, feeling bad.
I'm an professional idiot. Have you seen any of my videos?
Look at the table that they probably used to eat on.
So why did they do everything here? Like,
Whoa.
Look at that's a table. I'm gonna come in. If you can do it, Anthony, we can do it. I guess I don't know.
It's blurry in here.
I'm scared.
I promise you it'll be okay. I won't let nobody get hurt.
Ooh, look at this. That's like, what is that?
it's
Insulation
Is
stuff.
that what it
picture
is?
installation
And birds. Oh, what's this? Someone's Malibu rum bottle.
and so there's a party in this place.
And look, you got like pumpkin stuff. I don't know. That's
I'm
pretty
gonna
cool.
put my night vision on and see if it sees going on in here. Yeah, it needs a little light. I don't think it's a really true night vision. But
There's a bird above you just going up there, just to let you know.
it needs a little help. Wow. Look at the counter and everything. Yeah, what, none of this.
Oh.
The lights are all missing here.
Oh, it's straight
All
up.
of them are missing.
It's blurry right ahead of you.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look at none of the lights are here. And isn't that weird? None of them on this whole row.
Look how it's falling down.
Why are they all missing there?
I want to know why there's such old stuff in here. Like, that's cool.
They've been used since the 60s.
I like this sticker, Eat 'em Up USA. I don't know about you, that's pretty epic.
Look at this old refrigerator.
Is this a suitcase?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
part of
it's
the refrigerator.
The refrigerator's totally blurry. Just got unblurry.
Yeah, it's crazy nuts over here.
Look at that's another refrigerator. It's on the floor.
Okay, there's a mouse seat.
Is it dead?
And what's that? The furnace? Is that like a furnace?
Yeah, that's the.
Look at this counter and this picnic table. But they must.
Oh, it's blurry in and out.
I totally blurred on this table.
Oh yeah.
Totally blurred out on me. This place is probably not the safest building to be in.
Definitely not without masks.
I know. And I usually have some in my car. Oh, look at those really, really old refrigerators too. They had a hell of a lot of refrigerators in here. Ooh. Now are the lights in those? None of them in this room.
No, Dad, they're going.
No lights. No
There's
lights.
lights in this one.
Is there lights in that one?
Nothing in this one.
Is there any in those over there, Anthony?
I'm not seeing anything in any of these.
Oh, just that one, huh?
Mm.
Oh, look, that's where the stove is. It has that big vent hood thing.
Will you just figure out what you're doing?
Oh, it probably has a nest.
Yeah, there's a lot of bird nests.
Look at this. The stove is just old and creepy. They got tons of refrigerators that have one stove. What is that? Looks like they used to have a big professional stove in here at one time. They had that big vent. I don't know if I'm getting it. I don't think I am. Oh, there it is. I wasn't getting it. Oh, what was that there?
Found a jug of water, kind of. A little low on water.
Oh, what's that metal thing hanging down now? Oh, what is that right there? Is that silver thing hanging down in that?
This?
Oh, that's just foil or something, huh?
Yeah, that's
Is that
off
part
the.
of the thing. And then they have this set up here, and then there's this in here. And these are just like plywood. Painted plywood, huh?
They're really cheap counters.
Look, they still got the strip in here. The power strip. Look how old that power strip is. You don't even see those like
Oh my
that.
goodness, they used to have those in school when I was in school. They had those in school when I was in school, in high school. Oh, it was.
The old thermostat.
It did have linoleum on it, or whatever they call it.
Well,
Yeah,
it's
that was-
blurry
this
right
was
up there.
It has a thermostat on it.
It's blurry right
Wow.
there.
They were so like cheap.
Look at this old sink. Now that's old right there.
They were so cheap that they duct taped the chairs.
Yeah. I bet this was for farm workers, huh? Illegal aliens or something. They're not aliens from Mars, you guys. Oh, it got really blurry.
It would have to be. because
Yeah,
of
I've been
how-
getting blurry all around here.
how cheap the mattresses and stuff were, and how many mattresses and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, it's straight up blurry over by the door over there and over here.
Wow. Oh, there's a ping pong ball. What the heck is that doing here? It's a perfectly good little ping pong ball right
random.
Well, I definitely don't want it right now. I mean, if it was like, you know, not covered in nasties, I might have took it home and gave it to the dog. I like how this refrigerator is like laying down.
there. I know, and it makes me kind of wonder, like, why? Is there someone in it?
There's a dead body in there.
I know, you never know.
I'd so push it over if I was afraid of landing my face in this
I
nastiness.
know. Or and you don't know what kind of stuff is in this ground, and you don't want to have dust coming up. Nothing like-
Yeah, they've already got enough dust in there from walking and stuff.
My camera's never turned off before. It just turned off on its own, and it wasn't even off on the switch.
Mine just lapsed time. It just paused, but it's still recording.
See how I'm gonna turn that off again because that really wasn't doing any good. It says I have 73 minutes of power, battery power.
It says that you're at 88% on your phone.
Wow. It was fully charged.
What's my phone say? It was at 98.
Mine was at 90 something when I started.
89.
And mine was at 98.
And it's so hot in here.
Yeah. Oh man, it's like so wicked blurry.
That's crazy.
I know. Oh, this is gross. Yeah, this is mostly insulation, just and then bird feathers and stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make sure nobody's around the corners and stuff.
Yeah.
Because there's like, you know, you never know.
That's good. If you want to walk through and go out the other side, I don't want to walk down this thing, that's for sure.
You gotta close that door behind you. That's the only reason why. I like making
It might
noise.
be nice to let the birds out.
His shoes on.
Oh, yeah, huh? Yeah, those aren't ours.
Alright, this door's gonna fall off.
They're not ours. It's blurry, too. It's just
Whoa! Okay, this legit was not on the door 2 seconds ago. Look at these finger markings.
Couldn't have been. Look at that.
That wasn't there.
That's new.
That's fresh.
I can get that to show up on here. Where is it? Right there. I got it.
Yeah, and you got like little ones right up here too. They're all
Where?
up there. You got little ones right here.
Oh, yeah.
And then that was
Those are
not there.
fresh because they knocked the dust off.
Yeah, because look,
Right there.
that's fresh. I just did this one right here.
You just did that one right there?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, creepy, creepy, creepy. Look at all the bird mess on here. And then right there's prints. What kind of prints?
They're
We heard
big.
somebody running upstairs, and Anthony went up there, and there was nobody up there.
No, and those are big though. I mean,
It
those.
wasn't this, it was something like a dog or something that was trotting across the. It sounded like a dog.
Yeah, and there was nothing up there. You'll see there's nothing. That's the crazy part. Was that bottle there before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That mouse was there too.
I'm making sure.
Someone's chapstick. I've seen that there though. Where'd it go? Right there. It does, doesn't
Cigarette
it?
pack.
That cord's moving.
This was a.
There. Only the shadow is moving.
And these are just metal showers. The shower.
Let's make it.
Yeah, those are like old school.
It's got plastic. Logs in it. Everything's on here. They just put out any money for.
No, this is all like the mattress and the stuff are so old.
This is the way they possibly could. Yeah. There's one window not broken.
I noticed that. Just
Wow, just out of all of them?
I don't know. I've only seen one, and that's
This is
in
like a
there without
chalkboard
one.
right here.
Huh?
This was like a chalkboard over here.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I just can't believe how these lights aren't like busted though.
I know. And how come they were all missing in that? Oh, they're missing in here. They weren't missing in here a minute ago.
I didn't think so.
There was lights up in here.
There's these ones there, these ones. This one's gone.
I'll have to look at the video later and see. But I don't think these were missing. I think there was light bulbs because the only ones I noticed was in that one room where the kitchen was.
Hey.
Was the first ones I saw.
It's going again up there.
Huh?
I heard walking again.
Oh, my hook's on.
Oh, wires.
Whoops, look at my shoe.
You hear that?
That was not a bird. That's a bird.
Oh, yeah. Look at the pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Now, are all the lights still in here? Yeah.
There's another chalkboard.
Yeah, I think that's what those were, huh? And over there. So maybe it was an orphanage. You know?
I hear like the floor creaking up there.
I know. And I swear that was a dog prancing across the floor.
There's owls in here too. There's some owl droppings.
Well, those are worth money.
Hey, hey. I just heard the weirdest thing up here.
What'd you hear?
Like heavy breathing.
You sure it wasn't me?
No, this was different.
Okay. I'm 57. I breathe hard sometimes. Anthony's got balls. He's going back up there. Look at this. Just a metal handrail, too. There's a metal pole, metal handrail. And they just used no, they didn't hold back any expense to make this place nice. Did you hear that?
This must have been like a concession stand.
Well, it almost looks like it, except for there's nothing on the other side. I think they had
The floor is straight up vibrating up here.
is it?
And I'm not walking.
I don't hear no walking up there.
There's only one light missing.
Was that a bird?
No?
That sounded like dog claws.
I'm all the way up here.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Is there an attic?
No, not one you can get, like, it's just not even a crawl space, it's just a roof.
Wow. Well, they got a clothesline out here. Thing for a clothesline. Is there any more buildings?
Just that shack. That's down there.
I thought there was two, I saw two buildings up here, but
It was just this one probably. It looked like it was. Look at the clothesline.
whoa. That's crazy.
Oh wow, they're going in and out right there.
Yeah, this is all just shed material.
Yeah. Look at the thing, like the smokestack, like they used to have a. Is that where? What is that doing right there? Is there like a that's not where that furnace was,
Yeah, it is.
is it? They had the smokestack? Is it a wood furnace, I wonder?
It might be.
That means it's really
Look at that old power box.
Huh?
It's an old power box. I can't even, my light doesn't go that far out there, but like there's like a trail.
Let's see if I can get my.
I see field, but
Huh.
what in the...
I don't know how good a camera work I'm doing because I'm just freaking.
Hey, what's right there? On that hill, right there in front of us, up there.
Take this, point it there, because when you put it there, it's pretty strong. Is that where that trees are?
No, this is across the way.
Across the road?
I think so.
If it is, there's a house and a farm over there.
Yeah.
And it's not abandoned.
Well, I'm glad that that's not abandoned. That's crazy though. Like I just want to make sure, like I'm not like, here you go.
Okay.
Oh, power box.
Yeah. That's old. That's an old power box, that rusted one. Then they have a newer one. Wow.
My camera keeps going
Those
in and
old
out.
Windows. Those are some old windows right there.
My camera keeps going in and out like crazy right now.
Mine isn't now. Mine was in there.
Like right there.
Which way should we go?
Um,
That way we don't have to dig through this stuff again. Which way do you want to go, Anthony?
I'm just trying to I'm gonna try to look around the corner to see if this way is easier.
Okay. We'll wait a second.
This seems a little bit easier, but yeah, it's more like a solid.
Okay. The guy that helped get my car out of the canyon, he's the one that takes care of all the cemeteries and Milk-Free Water. He was just in the paper, I guess, or something. His name's Joey. And they're going up to fix up bullets.
Are they?
Yeah, and they're going to fix up all the old cemeteries. My son's going to be working with them.
Good. I just did some videos up there.
Yeah, I saw. I couldn't believe how overgrown it was since I was there. 'Cause I was just up there in the spring.
Oh man, it's hecka blurry right here.
I have to come up here again and do my ghost stuff. I didn't bring it this time, and maybe Anthony will want to play with his stuff.
Oh yeah. You know it though. I'm already thinking about it. See this
I'm glad that we decided to hook up. I mean, we're both right here. You know,
Right.
right next to each other, states right next to each other. And I don't know too many people, and a lot of times I have to go do this stuff by myself. Yeah, that's it. And that's why I have my bear spray. My son goes with me sometimes, but he never really
is
wants
this
to.
like we're walking on the path right now. It's like
Yeah.
I feel like it's a lot better.
It does seem like a path, doesn't it? Like,
Look at this door is open. This is the back way.
yeah. Yeah.
That's crazy. I mean, it's a little tall, but it's still like I feel like I'm safer on the
It's
path.
not really weak. It doesn't look like it. If it is, it's really poor weak.
Yeah. There's a little like step down right here.
Okay. Where this green thing is? Or?
Yeah, like right here where my light pointing straight
Okay.
down.
Teresa, right?
Yeah.
Right here where my stepping down. There's a step down.
And then we're hitting another
There's a
path.
couple little step downs, actually.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like this is a lot easier to walk through for some
I
odd
think it was
reason.
too.
You're not
You're
like.
right.
I'm like, trying to figure out which way to go from here.
Do we? Oh, we're going the wrong way? Oh, yeah, we do have to go around the building. I think it goes... Oh, I don't know.
There should be cement up here.
Maybe it goes like... I don't know. It looked like it for a second.
Oh, I'm so short. I could legit hide in here.
In this grass?
Yeah, it's a little hill walk up. So be careful. Whoa, a little dip hole. I'm stepping in like a little dip hole right here. A dip hole.
Shortcut.
Oh, that's crazy how that's broken off though. And it's blurry.
What is that? The power thing? The light thing?
No, the window.
Oh, the board.
Yeah.
Someone was trying to get in for a long time.
The little dip thing right here.
Okay.
So, just be legit careful.
You okay, Teresa?
And then you're gonna step up right here like a step up.
Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be about it for me tonight. I just did this to my knee.
I know, I can't believe you're out here right now.
So I gotta stay home. That's what I wanna do. Make videos. I don't know how.
There's a soft dirt right here.
What is up with this? Look at
It's
that.
the weirdest thing, huh?
Yeah. It's got that little bit of barbed wire wrapped around it.
Man, it's like crazy blurry in
This
there.
is like, what's this for gas or something?
Yeah, this is the kitchen.
Oh, wow.
Whoa. It's like blurry hardcore.
Oh, look at the moon.
Perfect night.
I know, huh? He was really like a small sliver the day before yesterday, huh? I know, you're picking this thing down.
I know, we have to go home and pick these all out again.
I know. We just... okay.